ya Joy Milas tukiona ni aramite mathagu jayo na kuruguria kiwanda kia uthondeki bwa irio bya NDITHIA arabacokerete customer bao nkatho ni untu bagwita na mbere kubaigika.
Pole. Wacha nisikie nduru, shangwe na vigelegele.
Yukari tukuinene kire kambuni ya Joy Milas tukuirerete mo marito jama nene nthiguruni ya Kenya
sana. Kwa hivyo wale watatumia kama chakula ya mifugo, wenye wanafuga ng'ombe, kuku, nguruwe, hizo zote najua watapata faida kubwa.
Joy Milas na Joy Max Animal Feeds, dira moja, kiwango kimoja, mustakabali mmoja.
Ponde bejite gukujira kwaramya mathagu gwa kambuni ije kire ubuithi bo mutuju wa NDITHIA na chomba Joy Milas Animal Feeds.
On behalf of the entire Joy Max Animal Feed Limited, I would like to sincerely thank you for honoring our invitation and for joining us today for this special launch and commissioning ceremony. Your presence means a lot to us, and we truly appreciate your support. Today, we proudly present a state-of-art, ultra-modern feed mill, a true product of science, research, and technological advancement. This facility has an installed production capacity of 160,000 metric tons per year, enabling us to produce high quality, highly homogeneous animal feed for the Kenyan market and beyond. Our machine operates on 3 independent lines, carefully designed to prevent cross-contamination between feeds for different animal species. This guarantees animal safety and optimal nutrition and increased farmers' productivity. In response to the growth of the livestock sector, we have expanded our product range to become a one-stop shop for animal feeds. Our newly introduced products, our new baby, include broiler starter crumbs, broiler finisher pellets, calf arewina pellets, pig creep pellets, pig finishing meal, and all-stock cube. To serve the diverse needs of our farmers.
Bakiathira uthii bwa kirasi kia iguru buria burikithitwe ni KEBS na Nkuruki kuthingatira utaaramu bwa kinande gutigira murimi na gukenera baita njega.
We are proud to be here in support of the inauguration of Joy Max Animal Feeds, who have been our partners in ensuring that we are offering quality and safe goods to our customers, to Kenyan citizens, and I'm here to confirm that Joy Max has been consistently providing quality goods to the extent, other than the mandatory standardization mark, we made an extra step wako na mpaka diamond mark, which means anytime tunachukua kavagara, anytime tunachukua unga ya ngano, inapita, ina-exceed kupita. So
baugite bageta na mbere guchitanire gutigira motungata ja mega kiria Kenya.